Hey, it's Tom
And Mike.
from Take Time to Travel. Cartagena, Colombia is a beautiful city with a gorgeous historic center full of lovely colonial buildings, as well as lots of streets bursting with vibrant colors, and of course, an exciting nightlife and party atmosphere. During our first month in Cartagena, we decided to stay in the Bocagrande neighborhood, which is best known for its kilometers-long beach. Today, we're going to take you on a tour of our luxurious apartment, which has a spacious outdoor terrace with an incredible view overlooking the beach and the Caribbean Sea. It's located in this building here, so let's head inside and check it out. Come on in. I'm going to show you around our apartment in Bocagrande, Cartagena. Mike, if you want to just shut that door behind you there. And so as soon as you step into the entryway, right over here there's a door. I'm not going to show you what's behind there yet, but come on in through. I'll show you around our living area. So we'll start with the kitchen. We have a huge black granite countertop that continues on along here, and we've got lots of covered space down below. Over here we have a 4-burner gas stove with a range hood up above, and then the oven down below. And then continuing around, we've got a double sink. And over here we've got a toaster oven, coffee maker, blender, and microwave up above. And again, lots of covered space and more counter space. And the kitchen is completely outfitted. There's all kinds, I think 3 sets of dishes we found, and lots of pots and pans and cutlery. Over here we've got a side-by-side refrigerator freezer, and again, more covered space. And then we'll head in through this direction. And this is into the laundry room. So we've got a stack washer and dryer here and a laundry sink right next to it. And then back around on this side, we have a large pantry that pulls out and more covered space up above. And then we'll go through into this room, and this is into the maid's quarters. So there are a set of bunk beds in here, and there's a small TV right across from it. And then I'll open up this door over here. I'll let you go in, Mike. Pretty small room, but it is the maid's washroom, so it's got the toilet, and there is a small sink and mirror, and then a shower. And I guess the maid has a surfboard, what looks like inside in a cupboard. And so come on back through here. I'll close this up and get back out of the way. Come on, we'll go back out through kitchen area, and we'll head back around. Now we have some artwork on the walls, which is really nice, makes it feel a little bit homey and lived in. We've got marble floors, that beige colored marble, and it extends throughout the whole place. And you can see here we've got a breakfast bar area with 4 stools, and we do use it as a workstation. Mike's got the laptop set up there, and there's some nice pendant lights up above. And then come on around this way. We've got a huge sectional sofa over here with a coffee table, another side chair, and flat screen TV across from it. And then, you know us, you know we love to have balconies. Well, Mike has outdone himself finding this place, and it's got a huge terrace to go out on. And this entire wall opens up. We'll just push this open. And it opens out to a really large dining table. And this is where we usually have our meals out here. It's got 8 chairs around it, but there's usually just Mike and I out here having our lunch and dinner. And then come on over this way. The marble floor extends right out onto the terrace. It's kind of windy out here, so I hope it doesn't affect the sound. But we're overlooking Bocagrande Beach, and there's lots of umbrellas and lounge chairs that you can rent for the day. And then come on back around this way. Got a beautiful view. There's 5-star Hotel Caribe with the lagoon in behind it, and lots of condo towers. And then over to the Hilton Hotel in the far end there, and back out into the bay. So we'll go back inside, and we have this huge door that slides closed and take you in to show you the rest of the place. Come on in through here, and there's bedrooms on either way. We'll go into the master bedroom or main bedroom first. And again, it's got the marble floors extending all the way through, and you can see the same beautiful view. Now, this wall is the same as the wall in the living room. The glass opens completely up, and we've got a small sitting area here with a couple of rocking chairs and a coffee table. And then under the windows, they've kind of made use of it as a couple of single beds. Haven't really needed to use that at all. And then we do have a king size bed here, and there's an air conditioning unit up above it. And around this side, television, and we've been watching Netflix, and we have Prime, Amazon Prime on it. There's also covered space on either side, so lots of place to hang up our clothes. And then come on in through this way. This is the main bathroom, and it's got toilet and glassed in shower area. You can see the marble extends all the way up to the ceiling here. We do have a rainforest shower head. And then the vanity area with mirrors up above and a small window above that. So come on back out through here. We'll go back through the door, and directly across the hall is the second bedroom. Now, as you come in here, it's got wall-to-wall closet space all the way along. We haven't needed to use that at all. It also has a king-size bed, and there are some windows here. It's not the greatest view, but you can see the water from here. And then there's a flat-screen TV and also the air conditioner up above it. And then we'll head through this door, and this also has a bathroom off of it. So here we've got the toilet, floating vanity, lots of mirrors up above. And then around on this side, it too has a glassed-in shower with the marble extending right up to the ceiling. And another one of those rainforest shower heads, and it has lots of windows up above, so it makes it nice and bright in here. And this is the door that leads back out to the front entryway where we first came in. And this is where we've been able to stay for a month. And I think it's probably been one of our favorite places to stay.
We especially loved the amazing sunset views from the terrace, which we were treated to most evenings, and were absolutely incredible. If you enjoyed our Cartagena apartment tour, then please like and subscribe, and make sure to check out our private Cartagena day trip, where we went to a beautiful beach on the Rosario Islands, did some snorkeling, cruised through the tropical mangroves, and had a tasty local lunch in Baru Village. And remember, take time to travel. Catch you on the next one.